Afro, and in today's video I'm going to talk about some free hair care resources. In last week's video we went ahead and we talked about Afro hair care accessibility and just this discussion of Afro hair care being, or hair care for people of African descent, being available to a wider variety of people of African descent globally, and what that looks like and what that isn't. And one of the things that it is something that really involves the internet and how the internet can provide free hair care resources. And so I want to go ahead and name some of those concise free internet resources today. So first, there's Carmen Conway. Carmen Conway is an amazing hairstylist that does a variety of styles, and she offers a free product guide. So in her free product guide, she talks about a variety of shampoos, conditioners, and styling products to use with things like braids with extensions, wash and goes, twist outs, twist in. So she has a very comprehensive product guide that also includes combs, brushes, heat styling tools, and underneath each item she provides a description of how to use the item. So a very comprehensive product guide. And she also has a TikTok where she answers hair care questions, and she has an Instagram at Home Haircare Academy where she does videos that are a good length to explain some of the basics in keeping healthy hair. So that's Carmen Conway. And then there's also Abana Palmore of Embrace Natural Beauty. So Abana Palmore of Embrace Natural Beauty has a YouTube channel called Embrace Natural Beauty, where you can see some of the things that she does to care for her hair, from start to finish, from cleansing to styling. You can see routines that she's done for twist in, twist out, for wash and goes. And so she has that, and she also has an Instagram where she shows different scenarios of her clients' hair. She has live streams where she talks about hair care on Instagram. So that is Abana Palmore of Embrace Natural Beauty. There's also Black Girl Curls. So Black Girl Curls has a blog at blackcurlmagic.com, and on the blog it talks about summer hair care, having a hooded dryer. It talks about different types of alternative styles with the heat or humidity. It talks about how to find out your hair type. So there are a lot of amazing articles over on that blog. And also with Black Girl Curls, you can sign up to download a free mini hair care guide. So there's also their YouTube channel. You can find some pretty great information on there. And then Instagram, they often host educational live streams over there to provide hair care information. So that is Black Girl Curls. So all three of these sources that I just talked about are pretty straightforward in terms of information in the mediums that I discussed for them. And also, if you decide that you want more than the free information and you want something more tailored. So I want to make sure to say that all of the tailored resources are resources that you will need to pay for. That's why I made sure to start the video off with the free resources. And tailored resources are just if you want to take things a step further and have time specifically dedicated to your hair to discuss your hair issues, or for you to gain more in-depth and detailed insight on hair care from these professionals. I know that with the Home Haircare Academy with Carmen Conway, you can sign up for an interactive and educational experience with her Home Haircare Academy. Also, Carmen does take clients to sit in her chair and do their hair, and she also does virtual appointments where you all can have one-to-one consultations with her and discuss your hair care concerns. You can do a subscription with Abana Palmore of Embrace Natural Beauty. You can either go to her salon if you're close enough, or you can also sign up for a virtual appointment. So you can sign up for a virtual consultation about the things that are going on with your hair, and possibly even show her your styling technique. So there's also with Black Girl Curls the opportunity to take a look at their Cut It Kinky alum directory. So you could possibly find a stylist that they've educated near you after you've adequately screened them, to see if there's somebody that you want to go to help you with your hair and really give you your own prescription for your hair care. Also with Black Girl Curls, there's some online education. You can sign up for See Some Curls, which is an interactive digital library, and there are courses in there on hair care with different types of styling, live streams, Q&As, and even mentors in there, peer mentors, but also some professional mentors. And of course you have your other peers in there that can support you, your other curl friends. that are going through that experience of learning how to care for their hair over on the See Some Curls platform. So there's an opportunity to interact with each of the resources that I discussed today virtually, and possibly some way to connect with these stylists, these professional resources in person. So I hope that this has been helpful for you all today. You know that I couldn't do the theory without the practice. We got to do the praxis. So this was a piece. And this video is in addition to previous videos that I've done to discuss how to make hair care simpler, easier, more accessible for us. Of me providing some information that might help with Afro hair care accessibility for you. If you all know of any resources, any free resources, or any resources that aren't that expensive in your context, feel free to share those, or just resources that you think are extremely valuable. Feel free to share those resources down below. I do have some other resources over on my community tab, but I wanted to focus on the ones that are more concise here on this video. So once again, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and my name is Fo. Bye-bye.